Hi, I'm Mike Baker. Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to operate and program your 461 or 403 exam chairs. A full account can also be found in the user manual. The 461 and 403 models come with easy view side mount switches. If you purchased the optional foot control, you'll notice that the buttons on the control match the easy view side mount switches. To program the chair, move the chair into your desired position and then press the program 1 or program 2 button for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it will beep at you to let you know that it's programmed. To confirm that your program was set, push the home button to bring it back down, and then push the program button again, and it should return back to where you programmed. The 461 and 403 exam chairs come standard with a manual swivel top, which is operated by levers on either side of the chair. To engage the swivel, push down on one of the levers, move to a desired location, and lock by lifting up. Both chairs come with flip-up floating armrests, which can be moved out of the way for better caregiver access and easier patient transfers. After your chair is installed, if you feel like your chair is not level, you can fix this by removing the leveling glide cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust any of the 4 leveling glides. Once adjusted, replace the leveling glide cover. If you ordered any additional accessories, refer to the instructions for installation and operation. For any questions on maintenance or disinfection, refer to the user manual or contact our technical support team at 801-875-4990 or email them at technical.support@mti.net.